And the IFTA goes to his and hers.
Thank you. Thank you very much, everybody, and hello. We're a bit shocked. We weren't expecting this at all tonight. I'd just like to thank the women from the Irish Midlands who made this film possible. Their generosity was just incredible while we went to film this, and we really had a very small budget to make the film, and it actually came 100% from the Irish Film Board, so we owe them a huge amount of thanks as well. I'd also like to thank our very small crew. We have director Ken Wardrop. we have our fresh from Sundance winning cinematographers, Kate McCullough and Michael Lavelle. And we have a few people who can't be with us at the moment. We have our researchers, Hannah Smolenza and Sheena O'Byrne. And we also are joined by Dennis Clohessy as well, who did the music for the film. So it's a very small crew, but thank you very much on all of their behalf. On a personal note as well, I'd just like to thank Ken's family, who've been amazing to the film-making process, which we've been enjoying, and my own family, and also my fiancée, Tiffany Hodder, as well. So thank you very much.